Welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are making palm nut soup. That is Abenkwan, but I'm taking my Abenkwan into another level. Come with me as I share with you this delicious recipe. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. Come. We'll be needing our drink, smoked mackerel, herrings, pepper, fresh tomatoes, salt to taste, ginger, onions, kontomiere, and palm nuts. We've already cooked it because of time. We start by pounding our palm nuts. Yeah, banana. Yeah, and this is abepa. This is original, authentic and kasa, guys. So it's really delicious. Now we say this any say kokona. Me one. The Nigerians call it Banga soup. So today we are making Banga soup. If you're in Ghana, Abenkwan. Bruni is a palm nut soup, but Banga soup. Well, we saw no bad read done. Well, I'm quite human on if you're bad there. They are comment below. Base of our Abenkwan or palm nut soup is this is ready, so I'll go ahead and put on the fire, and then I'll go ahead and add my onion, what onion is here, tomatoes, and the pepper. Everything is in one pot, guys. Abenkwan dry fish here, just everything in. We chop some onion for our soup. Chop onions in your Abenkwan or any soup is a must, guys. Anyway, just 100% a must. It brings a lot of flavors to your soup. Go ahead and add a little salt to the base of the soup. Now we'll add our chopped onions. I'll stir everything in, and then go ahead and add my dry herrings. Then we cover it up, guys. Guys, our tomatoes, onion, and pepper is ready. So I'll go ahead and remove them for blending. I'll go ahead and add my drink, guys. I'll go ahead and add some fresh ginger and also fresh onions. So this really makes your soup very flavorful and sweet. There's no need for you to add any stock cube. So go ahead and add our blended tomatoes, onion, and ginger. Guys, I had some leftover wele in my fridge, so I'll go ahead and add it to my soup, and then we'll add our mackerel. Look at this, guys. I'm going to cover it up on a medium heat and allow this soup to cook. Our Abenkwan with the twist of shredded in kontomiere is doing perfect. Now it's almost time for us to add our shredded in kontomiere or cocoyam. Look at how delicious this soup is. Now kontomiere begumu dia any umutiu papa bi. Guys, some garden eggs to go with. It's always a must. And my own quine to kill to another level, especially last 7 years. Let's go ahead and add some okra. So quite with the authentic and kasa unya we baby except on Angela K.O.D. We are shredding our kontomiere. You really need to very slight in tiny pieces, guys. You take your time and then you shred it very thin. we've done with the shredding of our kontomiere. You can also use spinach if that is what you have, wherever you are for this recipe. Go ahead and add our kontomiere, guys, to the soup. Guys, our soup is doing perfect. Some of this soup on with our emutsu. Guys, it's yeah. And quite well there, you can use it to eat your banku, fufu, kokonte, emutsu, bibia of your choice. But we will be enjoying it with emutsu papabi, guys. It's yeah. Guys, our palm soup is ready. Our palm soup with a twist of shredded kontomiere or cocoyam leaves is ready. So I'll put on the fire and we will go and serve. Look at this deliciousness. Look. Guys, we are serving this delicious soup with emutsu or rice balls. Let's dig in and serve. Guys, I'm taking some of the palm oil. This is what they call Abenkwan. It's so delicious and flavorful. Wow. Go ahead and add my emutsu, guys, with some almond, guys, some garden eggs to go with, and some okra, guys. It really goes really very well together. Guys, look at this deliciousness. It looks so delicious and healthy. Try this twist with your Abenkwan, with your kontomiere, and you will love it. And it goes well with everything. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious soup. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Please, guys, share me out. Bye. Do adios. Kiss.